I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying you have explicit authorization and the right account privileges. This protects both you and the organization. Next, update the operating system and install security patches so known vulnerabilities are closed. Once done, enable remote desktop and require network-level authentication to reduce exposure. Make a dedicated admin account with a strong, unique password and disable or rename default accounts. That limits lateral movement and why attackers prefer unrenamed defaults. You now build a secure path to the host. Route RDP through a VPN or a hardened jump host so the service is not internet-facing, which lowers attack surface. Then, make sure firewall rules only allow known IPs and enable two-factor authentication if available to add another layer against stolen credentials. At the same time, enforce least privilege through group policies and restrict which user accounts can log on via RDP. These measures reduce the blast radius if credentials are compromised. You finish by testing an authorized connection from a managed client and documenting each successful check so you have a repeatable baseline. After that, enable detailed logging and auditing to capture sessions and failures, and schedule regular patch and configuration scans to maintain security hygiene. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting by confirming the Windows remote desktop service is running, verify firewall and VPN connectivity, and ensure network-level authentication settings match on client and host.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.